Hi, my name is Brianna, and here's my final project for the cartography class. Using the Google API, Twitter API, and Ajax, I was able to create a map that zooms to a certain location entered in an input field and displays the tweets within 10 miles of that location using the Twitter user's profile picture. And then when you click on the profile picture, it will display with a pop-up the Twitter username and the geotag tweet itself. So let me show you how it works. Right now I have typed in the search box UCLA and I've clicked Find Tweets, and I found all these different tweets over here, different pictures of people that have tweeted. And so if you click on them, it'll say the username over here, and then this is the tweet itself here. And then again, click on this, the username, and then the tweet right here. And you can type in a more specific location or a broad location. So if I typed in an address like 350 Denev Drive, Los Angeles, California, find tweets, you'll see it's more of a specific area. So we saw another tweet popped up over here. But you can also do things, more searches that are more broad, like Grand Canyon. And you'll also see tweets from a broad search like that. My web page also includes my Twitter timeline. I embedded it over here, and then I also have a picture down here below that shows you what it's supposed to do just in case the actual program didn't work, and I just explained it a little bit over here. And there's some links that'll take you to Twitter and to Google Maps if you just want to see those specific websites in general. And then I'll also put like a link for my screencast that I'm doing right now. So I wanted to go over the technical considerations for this project, so I have that up over here. And this is my HTML document. And I used a lot of CSS and Google and the Google API for this project. You can see here I have a lot of CSS stuff over here just to make the title, to make the map canvas, and then also to get the two divs working down here for my embedded timeline, and then also for this like informational section with the picture. So I worked with CSS to do that. And then you can also see I have my sources over here. So this is the Google API source and the Ajax from the Google API, and then the widget which made the user timeline possible on the left-hand side of my website. And so here's my code. Just, I used the geocoder from the Google API to actually get the location or the address and then make it into a latitude and longitude code. So here's my function where we code the address, and then eventually a marker is placed on the map, which is what that red marker was. If I look back at my code at my website, you can see that there is a red marker close to the red Grand Canyon. It's kind of hidden, but it's right over here, so that kind of places it, and then 10 miles within that marker is where the tweets show up. Anything within the 10 miles. So it gets the tweets as well, and this is how we get the tweets through the search API from Twitter. It has like a URL, and then it retrieves latitude and longitude within 10 miles, and it gets 100 results. And then with that, it takes certain like strings or responses, and it takes that and it basically makes it into latitude and longitude that the Google API can read. So this is sort of what it looks like when you search it. You can see it right here. I used the from username for the name to actually put that in the pop-up. You can see that down below right here. That's how I got that from the Google or the Twitter search. And then I also used the coordinates, which doesn't show up on these two because you have null, but you can see in my code right here, anything that said null like that was disregarded right here. So that's kind of cool. And then these are the input boxes that I used to actually put in like where you'd want to see the tweets displayed. And then over here you just have the references for the different links and things like that. and then my image source and just information that I put in. And so that's my code, and that's my website. So thank you very much for watching. Bye!